Hi there, I'm Jules from TheStoneSoup.com, and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so for our egg and bacon tacos, I've had my bacon just cooking down in a pan to crisp up, or you could actually just wait and do that while the tacos are in the oven. Then I've got my 4 corn tortillas, but any tortillas will work. And got 100 grams of grated cheese that I've just spread in rings around the outside, and that's going to make a little nest for our eggs to go in. So just going to crack an egg into each of the tortilla holes, and then we're going to pop it in the oven, so 200C, 400F for about 10 minutes, so just until the eggs are cooked. Okay, so our tacos are well and truly done. Cheese is melted everywhere, which is going to be beautiful, and the eggs are cooked. Yeah, they're definitely cooked, probably a little bit too cooked. But that's all good. So just going to, it's actually quite nice when they're cooked through, so it's a bit less messy to eat. It's one of the rare occasions that I like my eggs cooked through. So I'm just going to serve it with bacon on top, and then some coriander or any greens just to make it look a bit pretty, and then your favorite hot sauce. So I'm going to use a lovely Chipotle locally made one, and then you're good to go. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.